Welcome back to Capital Appliance Repair Podcast. Capital Appliance Repair is your most trusted appliance repair company in Ottawa and the surrounding area. Book our expert technicians today by calling 613-454-1577. That's 613-454-1577. Today we're talking about common stove and oven faults. Stoves and ovens are made up of various basic and intricate parts. All it takes is for one of these parts to fail, and you could be without the use of one of your most important appliances. The good news is that a professional repair technician will be able to repair these problems with ease. There is no need to replace your stove or oven simply because one or more minor parts have let you down. These are some of the most common faults, and remember, for safety reasons, it's important to always call a reputable technician for any and all repair work. Number one is trouble regulating temperatures. When you place a dish in your oven and leave it in there for a few minutes or hours to cook, the last thing you need is temperature regulating issues. If the oven does not maintain a set temperature, your food will either come out undercooked or burned. The thermostat or another part could be to blame. But this problem is best diagnosed by an expert. Food not cooked properly by the oven. If your food is not coming out perfectly cooked, the element could be to blame. Like many other parts, it is best to rely on the trained eye of a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and repair this problem. Also, the oven door not fitting correctly. If your oven door is not closing properly, it will allow heat to escape, and this will affect the efficiency of your oven and its ability to cook a meal to perfection. The door might be warped. There could be a loose screw, or there could be another different problem. Sometimes this seemingly minor problem can be incredibly tough to pinpoint. Call your local repair technician for speedy repairs. Electric stove temperature adjustment trouble. If the burners on your electric stove are either too hot or cold and you cannot adjust the temperature, it can make cooking impossible. The problem is usually not obvious, and at least a few parts need to be removed in order to get to the source. Again, like any other stove or oven problem, a professional should be called. Lastly, another common issue is the electric stove's failure to heat. If you notice that one of your stove burners is not working, it's a good idea to test all of your burners as well as your electric supply. If your stove has coiled burners, they can get damaged after regular use. If one or more of your burners are giving you trouble, it could be due to a power surge, worn part, or another electrical issue. If your oven or stove is giving you any trouble, call Capital Appliance Repair at 613-454-1577. That's 613-454-1577, and we'll be happy to give you the speedy appliance repair that you need and trust. Our team is available throughout the Ottawa area. Thank you for listening to Capital Appliance Repair Podcast.